Hello and welcome back to Core Finance. I'm Matt Brown. I'm joined by Craig Erlam from Oanda. And Craig, we're going to look at gold. Been in and out of favour a little bit of late. From a technical point of view, though, just talk us through the charts and where it could go from here.
Yeah, technically speaking, it seems to have entered back into the range it was at prior to all of this geopolitical risk being priced in. We tested that 1300 from below again, and that was always going to be the key determinant between, are we on back towards these kind of 1350s potentially, or is it establishing a range maybe 1250, 1300 for now, while the geopolitical risk and other risks are started to phase out. We got as high as 1305, I think, and then we start to come low. So we're still below 1300. We closed below 1300, which I think is important. And this suggests to me that there's, like I say, the risk which was previously being priced in and really helping to support gold is fizzling out as far as traders are concerned. I'd be surprised if we do break above 1300 without any assistance on that part. And I think we got to remember as well the dollar story. We have seen a bit of a resurgence in the dollar. The negative relationship which we have between the two is likely to weigh on gold. And as I've said in the previous videos, should we see this stronger dollar into the end of the year, which really, which I would expect to see, or I'm personally anticipating at this moment in time, then you'd expect that to be a bearish signal for gold as well. And again, that 1250 then becomes the next key level, although 1260 is the most recent low. But I like to, I think the 50s is also an important trigger point as well for these, for this particular commodity. And like I said, it may stay between 1250 and 1300 for now, or even 1260 and 1300 for now. But I think this is a clear sign that what was lifting gold previously has fizzled out. So any break above 1300, I'll be surprised. Barring any change in the geopolitical environment, I'll be surprised if a move above 1300 has much legs.
And we were talking off air actually how quiet Trump has been and potentially the North Korea effect. And it's probably quite clear to see when the rhetoric was gearing up, what effect that had on gold. So now it's almost to the point that the market knows, well, if we get more of the same as we saw over the recent months between Trump and North Korea, this could see the push above the 1300. But we can price that in now. And as you rightly say, the dollar is key. Any strengthening in the dollar will cause a weaker gold price.
Of course.
Craig, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you.